This is a 2009 Subaru Impreza. This has a 2.4 liter engine. It's a front wheel drive. This is not one of those fancy turbo STI WRX models, but it shares many of the same body parts and components. What we're doing on this car today is replacing the factory radio. This is the factory radio, and it seems to be working fine other than for one thing, which is this screen. The LCD screen has become unreliable. You see, it was not showing anything at first, and then when I pushed my fingers on it, it lit up. So the problem here is these LCD screens do not withstand years of exposure to the heat of the sun, and eventually they just become very unreliable. So prior to doing this replacement, I actually removed the radio and checked its part number. This is what you should do whenever you're trying to replace a factory component. And so I got this part number off of the back of the original radio, and this right here is the replacement radio that I purchased from eBay. It's a used radio. It cost less than 50 bucks delivered to my door, and let's see how well it works. This is one of the world's easiest radios to remove. All you need is one of these plastic trim tools and run it along the edges of this piece of trim, pry it off. See, it's coming off already just with one hand. So the trim piece did not put any kind of battle or fight. It just came right off. And now we have 4 screws that hold this radio in, 2 on each side. All we need for these is a Phillips head screwdriver. 1, 2, and the other 3 and 4 are on the other side. With the screws removed, the radio slides right out, and then on the back we have 2 harness connectors. They have tabs on top that you push down to remove the connector, both this white one and this black one. And then we also have the antenna connector that just pops right out. These are the connectors, antenna, which is a pop out, the 2 harness connectors, white and black. I've plugged it back in. Now I'm going to put the key in the ignition and turn it and see if this thing works. Oh yeah, there we go, nice and bright on the very first start. And this, yeah, I can tell this screen is in much better shape than the one I just replaced. And let's try to tune in some kind of station here. Alright, so everything's working. I'm getting reception. I'm going to call this another successful repair. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below.